Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the top 5 deals for next week at Walgreens from the 20th of February through the 26th of February. Plus, I have some early activation deals I would like to show you at the end of the video, and we will talk about that if you are interested. If you're not, that's totally fine. Some people aren't into early activation. So let's talk about the coupons that we will be getting. So our coupons that come out on Sunday, there will be a Smart Source and there will be a Save Insert. Now there's not a lot that is in there, but I think there's some really good coupons in there, like the $4 Chic coupon. So I do have a link down below in the description box if you want to order your inserts and get them early. I like to do that just because there's not good coupons in my area and I don't have to go out on Sunday morning to get them. I already have them, usually Friday or Saturday, and I like that I can preview them. Now I have gotten some comments saying that they're way too expensive, they would never do that, and that's totally fine. You do not have to order them. These are just a suggestion, and I also like to give you just a heads up of what kind of coupons that we're getting. So this is just an option. If it's not for you, that's cool. But I do want to mention it for people because I do get quite often questions, where do I get my inserts? And that is where I get them from, is from BQ Savings. So the first deal we're going to talk about is Colgate. Now, certain Colgate next week is on the promotion where you buy 3, you get a $5 register reward, and they're on sale for $2.99 a piece. Now, I know we typically get oral, or we do always get oral care every week, but I normally only get them if I need to get to a certain amount with a spend booster or something like that. But anyways, you're going to buy 3 of these at $2.99 a piece. It does show in the ad that we will be getting a 3 off 2 digital coupon. It doesn't show it on this promotion, but we will be getting a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and then we also will have a $1 off digital coupon, or you can use a $1 off insert coupon that comes out in the 220 Smart Source. So then that's going to bring your total down to $4.98. You'll get back a $5 register reward, making all 3 of them completely free, and it's an all digital deal. So yeah, might as well throw that out there, let you know that this is something that you can put in with a higher spend booster that you may have. So next I have the Dove and Axe. Now it says that the Axe and Dove bath or personal care select varieties are included in this promotion, where it's buy 3, get back $5, or get back $5 in a Walgreens cash, and they're buy 1 get 1 50% off. Now we won't know exactly what is all included just because it says select varieties until Sunday, but if the Dove men's shampoo is included, this would be a better deal because it's cheaper and there's a high value coupon in our inserts that we can use on this. So anyways, we're going to get 1 of the men's body wash and 1 of the women's body wash and an Axe deodorant. And I do have to say, oh my gosh, I do have to say this one quick second, that we have that BOGO coupon for the Dove, and I totally just completely flaked on the coupon because the coupon says buy 1 women's, get a men's 1 for free. And I just got 2 women's and just totally didn't even register that I had to get a men's. And someone was asking me, did the coupon work? And it did, but I should have gotten a men's and I just completely overlooked it. But anyways, you're going to use that buy 1 get 1 free insert coupon that we got in the 213 save, and you're also going to use a $1 off of 1 Axe coupon from the 213 save insert. Now, there is like a blip or glitch in Walgreens system that when something is buy 1 get 1 50% off and you use a buy 1 get 1 free coupon on it, it takes the full value off. It doesn't take the 50% off. Now there has been times where I have had maybe a seasoned cashier or a manager wait on me and they change it to it being the 50% off value and not the full value. But 9 times out of 10 I've had cashiers just scan it and it takes the $7.99 off or the full amount off. So it's just a thing in Walgreens system and it happens, but We're going to go with the value of $7.99 being taken off. So then that will bring your total to $9.48. You'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $4.48 for the 3 items, or $1.49 a piece. And to get 2 body washes and a deodorant for under $5, I think is a really good deal. So next we have the Tide Downy and Bounce, and these are for the bigger sizes. Now I know what you're thinking. This is a very expensive, Sarah, and I don't think it's that good of a deal. Just hear me out. I swear it might be a decent deal for you. It's something that I'm going to be doing, and I would like to show you what I'm going to be doing. So how's that? So anyways, these are buy 3, get a $10 register reward. When we've had this deal in the past, I've gotten my register rewards. So I'm going to grab 1 Downy softener. It's a 103-ounce bottle for $11.99. I'm going to grab the biggest box of Bounce dryer sheets that I can find for $11.99. It should be the 240 count box. And then I'm going to grab a Tide liquid. I'm going to use a $2 off Tide coupon from the February P&G and a $2 Downy coupon from the February P&G. That's going to bring my total down to $31.97, and I will get back a $10 register reward. Absolutely, without a doubt, if you want to do this deal, use $20 in Walgreens cash to help lower your out-of-pocket. That way you don't have to pay as much. Then your total would be $21.97 for the 3 of them, or $7.32 a piece. Now, if you have a digital spend booster, you wouldn't be able to use Walgreens cash on this, but it would lower the cost of the items to $15.97 for the 3 of them, or $5.32 a piece. Now I'm going to grab the Downy and the Bounce because I am working towards a rebate on the PG Good Everyday website. So let me show you that. So when you spend $50, you will get back $15 on a Visa or MasterCard sent to you. Or if you spend $20, you would get back $5. Now the reason why I'm doing Downy and Bounce is because the Tide is not included in this promotion. And this promotion is good until the 26th of March. So I went back and I looked at some of my receipts, and I have a receipt where I have like 4 Olay body washes. And I'm going to submit that receipt as well as the receipts that I have from last week for the Gillette Labs razor that I bought. And then I'm going to submit it with the Bounce and Downy, and that would be over $50. And I will get back that $15 Visa gift card or Visa card by mail, and I think that's a really good deal. So also, I want to say that this is after coupons. So it has to be $50 after coupons. So just look at your receipt where it says return value and use that as your total to add up your items. So I'm submitting the Olay, the Gillette, and the Bounce and the Downy, and I should receive the gift card no problem. So next I want to talk about the Nexus. The Nexus is on promotion again for spend $20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and you can spend $40 and get back $20 in Walgreens cash. I talked about this deal last week, and it's essentially the same deal. You would buy 2 hairspray and 1 shampoo, and that would take you up over the $40. You would use 1 digital coupon for $5 off, and then 2 insert coupons for $5 off. You would pay $29.97, get back $20 in Walgreens cash, making it $9.97 for the 3 of them, and of course you can pair that in with a booster as well. So next we have the Chic razors, and the Chic is spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and I do believe it's a monthly deal, but the Chic disposable razors are going to be on sale for $5.99, so we're going to pick up 2 of those. We're going to pick up 1 Skintimate razor for $5.99, and then we're going to pick up a shave cream for $2.99. So that's going to take us to $20.96. Then we're getting these very high value insert coupons for the Chic disposable razors in the 220 Smart Source. So you're going to use 2 of those and use a $4 digital coupon. And maybe we'll get some printable coupons as well. So that will bring your total down to $8.96. We will get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and this will make our final total $3.96 for 4 of them, or 99 cents a piece, which I think is a very good deal. So next we have the little quick deals that I was talking about last week, and it's basically just going to be filler items that you can use in your transactions. They might not be the best by themselves, but with a booster and their filler items, it would work great. So the Airwick warmer is $2.49, and we have a $1.99 digital coupon and printable coupon that we can use for this, making it 50 cents. And then the Palmolive dish soap is on sale for $2.49, and we have a 50 cents off printable coupon that we can use as well. And I'm not sure if we're going to be getting a digital coupon for that. So then that would bring your total to $1.99 for a 20-ounce bottle of Palmolive, which isn't too bad, I don't think. And then next I have 2 from last week. The Febreze Touch is still on sale for $3.99, or you could get them on the $3.99 car clips that are on sale, or there's some air freshener that is also on sale for $3.99 that coupon will work on also. Then there's the Pantene Nutrients. If you have the 6 off 2 coupon, you can only do this online. If you use the 5 off 2 coupon, you can do it in store. And I don't know why I have 2 conditioners there. You can get 2 conditioners, 2 shampoos, or a mix of the 2. And either way, this will work out. But I did not mean to cause any confusion for that. So now, let's talk about early activation. So early activation is basically for a very short period of time on Saturday night that you can get both deals at the same time from the current week and the new week that's coming up. So early activation, there are some stipulations. These cannot be done on monthly deals. So like the Chic it will not double dip for, because it's programmed to give me that price all month long. So then these can be done at stores that are not 24 hours. If you have a store that's like mine that closes at like 9 p.m., then you can do this as a curbside pickup and pick it up the next day or on Monday, and you will still get the double dipping deal. The downside of this is that your miles may vary, which means it's not going to work at every store. It's not by state, it is actually by store. Some stores, the early activation just does not work. But I do know that it is few and far between that it is like that. So if it doesn't work on one store, try changing your location in your app and try doing that at another store if you can. And then always make sure you're looking at your Walgreens cash when you're going through the checkout process. Now there will be times where it is super flooded with people trying to do early activation deals, and yet it'll say that your Walgreens cash is 0. That is not correct, so do not worry if it says 0. Now there are some deals that can only be done in store. So if you don't have a 24-hour store, or a store that closes, if you have a store that closes at like midnight, it can only be done in those stores. So I do have a deal like that I will show you, but the majority of the deals that I show you, you can do as a curbside pickup and pick it up on Sunday. So the first deal we'll talk about is the Nexus. Now the Nexus is spend $20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash the current week, and then the same thing the next week. So if you buy $20 worth of Nexus items, you will get $20 back. So that is amazing when that happens. If you still have your digital coupon, you can use your coupons or boosters that you have for the current week, but not for the new week. So that's another one that I probably should add to my list there, because if you have a spend booster that you haven't used on an account, you can still use those. But anyways, we are going to go with the online prices because I would be doing this as a curbside pickup. So the one that I showed you earlier in the video, those are in-store prices. So anyways, we're going to pick up 2 of the Nexus conditioners and 1 of the Nexus hairsprays. That's going to bring our total up to $45.97. We're going to use that $5 digital coupon. That'll bring our total down to $40.97. But we will get back $40 in Walgreens cash, making it 33 cents per item. So if you are comfortable with doing a deal like that, where you pay an amount out of pocket, but you get $40 back in Walgreens cash, then this is definitely the deal for you. So next is an in-store deal only. You can place it as a curbside pickup and pick it up Saturday night, but it has to be placed as soon as the early activation deals start. And that can be anywhere between like 10:55 and like 11:15. So for the Dove is buy 3, get back a $5 register reward for this week, and buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash for next week. If you have your digital coupon, definitely use it then. You can also use that BOGO Dove insert coupon from the 223 Save insert. So then for buying 4 of these, after your coupons, your total will be $13.01. You will get back $5 in register rewards and $5 in Walgreens cash. That'll bring your total down to $3.01 for 4 of them, or about 75 cents a piece. Now, I have heard there is a bit of a glitch going on when you use a BOGO coupon and you still have that $7 digital and you buy 3 of them. If you want to do that, you can do that, where you use 1 digital and 1 BOGO and you buy 3 of them. They're glitching together, so then that would bring your total down to $6.99 when buying 3 Dove body wash. Getting back the register reward and the Walgreens cash, it would make them free and a $3.99 moneymaker. So that's really up to you on how you want to do that. So if you have a store that's 24 hours or closes past when early activation starts, so some stores close at midnight, and you know for sure that your store does early activation, then this is what you can do. I cannot do this deal, but I definitely wanted to throw it out there because on my lives, I have quite a few people that are actually doing these deals in store. So I wanted to show you. And then the last early activation deal is for the Colgate. This is a typical early activation deal, but it is a $4 moneymaker. So I definitely wanted to tell you about it. So the Colgate is buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash this week, and the same for next week. Now you will only get this week's pricing, which is $4. You will not get the $3.99 for next week. And with the digital coupons, if they say they expire on 2/19, you will absolutely be able to use them for any early activation deal that you do. So the 2 of them will cost $8, but then we will use 2 $2 digital coupons. So we would pay $4 and we would get back $8 in Walgreens cash, and we could use Walgreens cash on this to pay for it as well. But I think I'm going to do the Nexus and the Colgate with a digital booster that I still have. So I think that would be a really, really good deal. But anyways, that is all I have for you guys. So on Saturday night, the 19th at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be going live and doing my early activation shopping live with you guys. So we will shop together, I will answer your questions, and we'll just hang out. And it's really a fun time. I haven't done one in such a long time because we either haven't had any good deals or we've only had like 1 deal. So I'm really excited to do an early activation video for you guys. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.